I recognise that counter and that plate. That's really strange. Hang on a minute. How come 365's got the same worktop and plate as me? What's going on? What's going on? Hello future investors, now have I got a video for you today. Now recently I just watched 365... Tommy, can you stop please? I've just watched 365 Days of Silver video on how to make a silver sandwich. Now, I've got some issues with this video. Not only has he made a silver sandwich, he's put ketchup on his silver sandwich and butter. Now, I've been doing this for a long time and I'm very experienced when it comes to making precious metal sandwiches. So today I wanted to show you how to make a proper precious metal sandwich, not just using silver. So here I've got 2 slices of bread. I've got my wonderful assistant here, Tommy, who's very eager to help me make this sandwich. Now, not only have I noticed a couple of things, he has got this worktop and this plate. I have got this worktop and this plate. Very odd, isn't it? Well, let's get back to the precious metal sandwich. Now, 365 said he likes to make a silver sandwich. Now, I've got to say, I do it a bit better than that because I like to make a gold sandwich. I like to normally use... Tommy, I'm filming for future investments. Can you give me 2 minutes? Thank you. I like to make a gold sandwich, and this one I like to use normally a 1 gram Pamp Swiss gold bar sandwich, and I also sometimes like to throw in a 1 gram Royal Mint gold bar. And when I'm feeling extra hungry, I throw in a 1/4 ounce Britannia, another 1/4 ounce Britannia, and of course we can't leave a blank space there. So here is my third 1/4 ounce Britannia. Tommy, do not touch the gold. And there we go. There is a gold sandwich. I'm gonna have to put this phone down so I can cut the sandwich because this is a very off-the-cuff video. Now, as you can see, we've got the cut sandwich with our 1/4 ounce gold Britannias and our gram gold bars. And I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise in here because we like to keep it separate from the precious metals to keep that authentic taste of the gold. So I think that is a better way on how to make a precious metal sandwich. I think Tommy agrees. Yep, I think he agrees, and that is the overall way on how to make a gold sandwich, not a silver sandwich. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye. No, in all seriousness, that was a very fun episode to film. Something a lot more light-hearted than usual. And a big shout out to my mate 365 Days of Silver, who's one of the best guys on YouTube when it comes to precious metals. I got this video idea from his video here. So if you want to watch that video, you can find a link for his in the description below. To watch another episode on how to make a precious metal sandwich, click the link now.